Hello, my name is Dunham, and I'm doing the Create an Adventure assignment. The class that I teach currently is Human Geography, and what I'm going to do is use an assignment called the Creating Country Project. With this project, we are creating a country using cultural elements. The first set of characters are the president. The president is responsible for creating laws. These laws must be something that all group members can agree to and that citizens can abide by. They must be able to explain why these laws are in place, and they must be able to come up with 3 laws that would fit their country and the needs of the people in their country. The next character is the economist. The economist is responsible for determining what type of economy is used for that particular country. They must also be responsible for determining what types of imports or exports work and which countries they may trade or not trade with. The next member is the member of the press. The member of the press is responsible for social issues that occur in the country. They're responsible for language and what type of social interaction is appropriate for the country. How people discuss and how they talk with one another. They will determine what types of clothes, types of music, that type of thing. Religious expert. The religious expert is to determine what type of religion is appropriate for the country. They also must determine how influential that particular religion is for the country and what role will it play in society. The next character is a storyteller. The storyteller is responsible for explaining the origin of the country through folktale. They must create a short story that can be used to basically determine how the country was created and different elements of the country that people use to explain how it works. How the game works is it begins with the rolling of the dice. The rolling of the dice determines the location of your country. With this location, due to region, climate, this will determine how your country acts or interacts with others. The group will then come together and they will discuss and determine the different characters and how each one of their roles can be used in creating the country. And doing this, students will then research and use different types of research that will basically conclude what will work or what elements will work in their country. Last but not least, students will present their project. In presenting their project, they will give not a huge detail, but brief detail as to how the country works, how it operates, what are the social interactions, language, and basically explain what makes their country unique. Okay, the purpose of this project is to assist students in learning how culture is affected, whether it be by government, religion, cultural surroundings, and in some cases, location and economy. And this is the end of my project.